Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Satina women's leggings. Now these are full-length leggings that my girlfriend bought. She already has probably like 5 or 6 pairs of these things in different colors. She liked them so much she's ordering 3 more. Note though that one of the 3 that came in was kind of like a return because look, there's a bit of some stains there. So not really cool, but at the same time we're actually going to return this one. And a quick note is to always wash your clothes before wearing them, because, well, manufacturing stuff, whatever. So anyways, let's unbox this thing. This is the full length one. The material is super soft and it is really cool. This is a 1 size, which is the smaller one. It's 92% polyester and 8% spandex. The stitching is really good, so that's why I think it's already lasted for like 4 or 6 months for her original pairs. She also notes that basically the fabric stretches and it doesn't show through, which is really nice. She normally pairs this with a sweater when she's around the house, but when we're going out, she pairs it with a tunic, which is really cool and looks really classy. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.